Good morning, people of the internet. Welcome back to my video. I am John Diart, and today I'm gonna talk to you and you only. So it's free therapy, bro. Welcome back to the sesh. See, sometimes it's gonna be therapy, but sometimes it's gonna be a lot more fun. I know how to cook, I know how to dance, I know how to rant, I know how to keep you guys entertained, okay? So in this channel, it's a bunch of all types of entertainment locked and loaded only for you guys. So make sure you guys blast that subscribe button, bro. Like, pound it, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, bam. So please subscribe and we can start off with today's session. Have you ever been ignored so bad that you start apologizing for existing? Sorry for liking you. Sorry for doing that. As a matter of fact, I'm sorry that I was born. Like, what the hell, bro? Bro, this new generation has made talking feel like a goddamn trap, bro. Like, text too long, you're clingy. You take some time to text, you're playing games. You're a dry texter, you're too boring. You send emojis, you're cringe. You send too many good mornings, you're obsessed. And God forbid double texting. Have you ever double texted and you've deleted, like, before she sees it? Yeah. That is the taste of shame, honestly. It's like, you text, what are you doing? And she's like, nothing much. And then she'll ignore you after you say same lol. Like, bro, it's become so boring, bro. It's mixed with so many emotions. Think about it. Anything you do now has something or the other to do with. Like, in a sense, as I mentioned, all the types of texting, it always has some or the other reaction, bro. Like, don't we feel attacked for doing even this or even just... Section 2, guys, that is social media insult to injury. Like, what makes it worse? She's active and you're getting ignored in 4K while she's posting designs of angles of boomerang of the stupid salad she's eating, and she's putting peace. She's online, she saw it. Hell, she even posted 3 thirst traps after ignoring you. I feel like at this point it's spiritual warfare, bro. You ever been ghosted or gaslit by an Instagram story? She posted, the energy you give is the energy you get. Babe, I give you energy and you give me scene zone. Really? Section 3. Overthinking like a psycho. Now you're losing your mind reading the last 6 texts like they're, a piece of evidence in the court. You start calculating her typing speed. She replied in 42 minutes last week. Now it's 47. And you lost her. And the real pain will be you start blaming yourself. You'll be thinking, maybe I shouldn't have sent Lemo so much. Or maybe I should have just sent a reel instead of sending a meme. Maybe I should have sent her a food post. Bro, stop thinking so much, bro. That's the biggest mistake. And we are just trying to show them love. And why does it feel like a freaking math exam, bro? Like, so much calculations just to show love. How fake is that? Section 4. Self-thought and sad situations. You ever give yourself a pep talk saying, nah bro, I am the prize. But then you go to her WhatsApp and you refresh and see 1 tick. Still 1 tick. You unsend the last 3 messages. You ghost her too. You unsend the last 3 messages. You also ghost her. And you try to look unbothered. But you know what actually you do? You go and refresh your page like you work for FBI, bro. It's like being in a relationship but you're solo. You know what I mean? Solo. Loco. We have entered a pretty good section right now, that is the comeback delusion. And one day, boom, she replies and says, sorry bro, I was busy all this time. And then you, poor you, start smiling, and you start over like nothing really happened. Bro, we are so sick. We are back in the game. Now you're back to square one, still getting ignored and still hoping. Bro, that's the most toxic loop in the whole world, bro. Aren't you tired? Okay, now we have come to the closure section, so please listen up. I'm gonna tell it with all my chest. If she actually wants to talk to you, she is not busy. Nobody is too busy to text you regardless of what situation they are. Oh fuck, my dad's gonna screw me. Oh, this is the dust. When people are in love, no? They don't care if they're busy. They don't care if they're in a rush. They don't care what they're doing. They will try to talk. Yeah, it will hurt. Okay, it is gonna hurt. But you ignoring your worth is worse than her ignoring your text. Get that straight to your head. Okay? Your worth is always... Don't mess it up like this, bro. Don't give it to someone who doesn't value you. Doesn't value what you are. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? That's so true, bro. Like, your self-worth should always be not like down on the gutter, man. You know what I mean, bro? So now I am coming to the closing section. So now I am coming to the closing section. Water. We need some water, bro. So now I am coming to the closing section of this video to tell you that so the next time they're ignoring you, don't apologize. Don't apologize for your existence. Don't beg, don't plead. Just remember, you're not hard to love. It's just that those are not capable. So fuck it. Please send this video to that one friend of yours who's still not listening to you, waiting on that text, being ignored, being seen zoned. Bro, block him or her. Go out, go walk, go to the gym, do something fun. You will meet somebody. That's it, guys. That is it. That is what I wanted to quickly rant here. And from after this upload, I'm gonna try my best to be as consistent as possible. Because I don't know, bro. I just want to fulfill that dream of becoming a YouTuber. There's gonna be a lot many types of content that I'm gonna be posting here. Anything that I'm gonna post, I'm gonna make sure that it's gonna entertain you guys and it's gonna make you guys motivated, and you know, it's just gonna be fun, guys. That's all I can promise, because I just want to do this, so I just need your support. So please subscribe, please share, and if you like any parts of these videos, you can please cut it and I don't know, send it to your boys, or just send them the whole link and tell them, bro, enough, just watch this video. I hope you guys like this video, and you guys are free to comment down any other topics that you want me to talk about or rant or roast about. So yes, guys, I feel like with that being said, thank you for watching. I'll see you in another one. Peace.